The Honorable Marcoleta.
Point of order. This is not directed to the members of the committee.
Madam Chair, our good friend is not a member of the committee.
Yeah, but I can
Perhaps
Here's a
you
point
can
of
just
order.
manifest
Or just a
instead of raising a
manifestation.
point of order.
manifestation.
All
Not
right,
directed.
you may proceed, Honorable
This
Marcoleta.
is not directed to the members of the Justice Committee, but I observed the presence of Mr. Kiko D from the audience. Though he was allowed to be an audience in the proceedings, despite his withdrawal of the second impeachment complaint, I suggest that he observe proper decorum. Because if you will remember,
May we know the action of the Honorable D or Mr. D, which is not consistent with decorum?
I'm just speaking from experience when
Which means he hasn't committed any yet.
not yet, but as a forewarn, as a premonition or a warning, during the archiving of the impeachment at the Senate, Mr.
Madam Chair,
Mr. D.
Madam Chair, wala pa naman palang ginagawa. Let us not...
Point of order.
Let us wait until he finishes, and then
Can
I
you
will
just
be
allow me to
recognizing it.
finish? During the archiving of the impeachment, Mr. D. booed and made a gesture of thumbs down at the VIP gallery of the Senate.
All right. All right. Honorable Marcoleta, but it is
It's for them
apparent
to observe
that
proper decorum.
the Honorable D hasn't committed anything yet which is not consistent to decorum. Would you like to say something, Honorable De Lima?
Yes, Madam Chair, it is completely improper for our colleague here to raise that matter. And he has not cited any act of misconduct or misbehavior on the part of Mr. Kiko D. And alluding
Would you
to
like
that,
to make a
alluding-
motion to that effect?
Yes, my motion is to strike out the manifestation.
Second, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to strike out from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta is hereby ordered stricken out of the record. If there